This is the instructions for Unit 3 lab. The first thing you need to do is download the Unit 3 lab spreadsheet found in the assignment folder in the Unit 3 folder. I have the file up on my screen, and there are 3 tabs at the bottom: Lab Instructions, Item Analysis, and the Reflection Questions. So the first thing that you need to do is understand what you're doing the item analysis on. So you're creating an item analysis for a knowledge test that has 20 questions. 15 of them are multiple choice and 5 are true and false. 6 participants completed the survey. So that item analysis has been started for you. You will need to complete the item analysis. It's in the tab here. And then in the reflection question, there are, let's see, I think there's 1, 2, 3 questions that I want you to answer about what your thoughts are about the outcome of the item analysis. So let's go ahead and look at the item analysis. So as you can see here, we have 6 participants, and in each column is what they answered for the test question. So there's 1 to 20 test questions with the correct answer of the test. The first 15 are multiple choice, so they're either A, B, C, or D, and then the last 5 are true, false, so there's a T or an F. So this column C through H are the participants' answers to the test. So what you need to do, the first 2 columns are already completed for you. You need to figure out what participant 1 scored on this test. So they got 19 of 20 correct. Participant 2 got 18 of 20 correct. So you'll have to do that for each of the 4 remaining participants. Then you need to look, we're going to look at analyzing each question. So if we move across, the correct answer is A. So we had 1 person who got an incorrect, so 5 were correct, and then the incorrect one you put under, you count up and put under what the incorrect. So this person, participant 4, was incorrect. They answered B, so that count for B is 1. Since only 1 person was incorrect, the rest, there is nothing else there. Probably should be a hyphen here too. Okay, so then let's go down and look at 2. So the answer is B. So right, right, and then wrong, 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 wrong. So only 2 of the 6 got it right. The other 4 all answered C, right? So that you put a 4 in the incorrect value of C. So let's go down and look at number 6. So the correct answer is B. So B, B, right? So 1, 2, 3 right, and then an A, a C, and a D. So you come through here, A, 1 person, C, 1 person, D, 1 person. Nobody, of course, B was the correct one, so that's, you wouldn't have that. So then what you'll do is when you have all of this column I, which is total correct, answered, you're going to figure out the percentage, right? So like let's say 90% were totally correct. So I want this percentage here. Okay, so please let me know if you have any, if you have any questions on how to complete this. Then you're going to go to the reflection questions tab. So on the reflection question, there's 3 questions. Identify potential issues and possible causes after you analyze the items. Determine which participants would pass the learning assessment if the criterion reference score was 85%, and determine how well the class as a whole performed on the assessment. And so I have these set up. You should just be able to come in here and type, and it should just wrap for you. Yeah. So once you get all of that done, you just will submit that lab back to the Dropbox. All right, thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.